Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. Today we are doing a very simple recipe, and now this recipe is viral on TikTok and my kids want to try it, so I just want to do it for them. So if you have kids, you can just try this recipe for them. It's very easy to do and it's really delicious. Okay, I have this pasta here. Alright, you can use any pasta at all. So I'm going to use this pasta to do pasta chips. Okay, it's lovely, so you have to try it. You know, when kids are at home now, it's summer holidays, we do a lot of movie nights. You can use this recipe for your movie nights as well. Okay, so let's get started. Right guys, so I have some water boiling here. This is water. I'll put a bit of salt in it. I'm going to cook the pasta first before we season it. So just pour that into the pan. I'll just cover it and let it cook until it's a bit tender, and then we can add our spices. Right guys, so this is my cooked pasta. Okay, it's nicely cooked, not overcooked. All right, so I'm going to spice it. First of all, I'll add a bit of oil. You can add any oil at all. This is rapeseed oil. Just make sure that it's all over. Okay, and the next bit, I'm going to add some spice. I'll add some black pepper. And then I'm going to add, first of all, I'll add some onion powder. I just like the smell of onion powder. Going to add a bit of ginger powder. And I'm adding just a bit of garlic powder. Just want to toss it around. Smells amazing. Want to add a bit of oregano. I really like the smell. And the next bit, love this ingredient, is paprika. Right, so smoked paprika. And I'm going to just make sure I mix it nicely. You can add any ingredients of your choice, but I love these. So guys, I did taste it. I want to add a bit of salt. Okay, so a little bit of salt. Smells amazing. Okay guys, the last ingredient I'm adding is lots of Parmesan. This will make it taste really good. So guys, I'm air frying these chips. Okay, I'm using my Ninja Foodie today, so I'm going to put that into a bowl. So what we have to do literally is to just keep on checking on it. Okay, so normally it would take about 7 to, it went between 7 to 12 minutes. So how crispy you like your chips. Okay, right guys, as you can see, I've set it up to 12 minutes. I'll check out as from 7 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. I'll just keep on stirring it so that it won't get stuck, okay, at the bottom of the bowl. So I'll just keep on checking it, but I'll just put it at 12 minutes. So we put that on, and then if you don't have air fryer, you can use the oven as well. So just spread it on a sheet, on a parchment paper, and just put it in the oven. We'll also do the same thing, really, guys. So while our pasta chips is in the fryer, I just want to do a very quick tomato sauce to go with it. Okay, I've put some rapeseed oil in the pan, and I'm going to add some chopped red onions. Yeah. Right, I want this to caramelize a little to release the sweetness. I'll add some bay leaf and also just a bit of rosemary. Right, guys, I want to add my tomato sauce. I'm just using the Dolmio bolognese sauce. So guys, I'm adding a bit of spice. So I'm adding some oregano, just a bit of garlic powder. A quick one, and then I have some ginger powder, just a bit of paprika, now I have this herb mixture that I use for my recipes. If you follow me, I've not really showed you how to do it, but it's a mixture of herbs. Going to add a bit to it as well. It smells amazing. So really, I'll just cook this one down a bit, and that will be it. It smells so good. You can add a bit of salt if you think that it's not salt enough. I'll add just a little bit of salt, very little. So I'll cook this down, and then we'll have it with our chips. Right, guys, our tomato sauce is ready. I just want to add a bit of parsley. Really, our sauce is done, and it smells really delicious. So guys, this is our pasta chips. It tastes really good and it's lovely. Okay, so you pick up one like that, and then put it in the nice tomato sauce. It tastes really lovely, tomato sauce. That tastes really nice. You can do this recipe for movie night, okay, and enjoy with your kids. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.